Today we met Honorable Governor of Odisha. We have placed our demand that immediately the caste census should begin in our state, because there has been a lot of negligence from government of Odisha side. The previous state government and present state government, they have constantly neglected the SC, ST and OBC. OBC reservation, Mandal Commission implementation, Government of India, the Congress government started implementing. There should be 27% OBC reservation in entire country in the case of jobs and in case of education. But in education it is big zero, not a single percent. And hardly Odisha government is giving 11.25% in the jobs. But we demand 27% reservation strongly in the education, even in private education, according to Article 15(5) of the Constitution. And we demand that the total reservation as per the capacity of the population, as per the population, they should give it. Series of time, SC, ST people have been neglected. There is no finance corporation. The finance corporations are not having money, and SC Finance Corporation, ST Finance Corporation, OBC Finance Corporation, Minority Finance Corporation should be placed with 5,000 to 10,000 crore rupees for job orientation scheme and for such a bread and butter for the younger generation, because heavy migration is there from Odisha towards other parts of the country. So in order to stop that, it is essential to strengthen this category of people and strengthen these financial corporations, which I said. And that apart, whatever negligence had been done, that the government should do certain exercise and cover all the things as per the constitutional demand of the people of SC, ST, OBC. Unless and until the government will do it, we will go for the agitation, because immediately, from tomorrow or day after, they should start this thing. Otherwise, for 27% reservation, we are going to have a dharna, a satyagraha in front of CM House on 22nd and 23rd.